Hi everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Ian is a Weirdo. Today we are on day 21. Yeah, we can drink now. Of 31 projects of Halloween. So I'm super excited. I'm really excited where this is going, and can't wait to show you all of my ideas come to life. So let's see what number 21 is. Where is it? Okay, so 21 is fall. I really like making those leaves, but because I did it for another project, I don't think I'm gonna do it again. Although I have seen some other leaves that are really pretty. Let's see, fall, apple cider, hay rides, pumpkins. Oh, I can make a pumpkin. Also, so I have some fall, harvest, that type of. So here's one fall color that I have that would be really pretty to make literally anything out of. And then I have this baby, which I want to use so bad. And this is just gorgeous. It has the most beautiful colors in it. It's really just all like my life in here. I'm gonna stay in here forever. It's so soft. But this is Spun Colors by Premier, and it's 419 yards, and the color is autumn. So, I think this would make a really nice, you know how I made the bag for trick or treat? I think this would be really nice in a bag like that. I think it'd be nice for anything, but I really want to do it justice. So I think that would be really pretty. Let's see. Let's see. What other things can I do for the to me, the fall represents the state fair. I don't know if that's everyone. I don't know when the state fair comes through. But fall has not begun until it's the official event of the fall to have the fair. So I'm gonna write state fair question mark because I really don't know how I would go with that and make it spooky. Maybe, I mean, I can make a Ferris wheel or something like that. But just something that signifies the state fair and would be cool to do. So, let's see. Fall. I can do a painting of the leaves. Like a winding road, long winding road, and then just trees all around it that are really beautiful and gorgeous. So, okay, right here. Nope. Well, most importantly in fall is Halloween. So, I could do... What would I even do for Halloween? I don't know. What would I do? Food for thought. Okay, well, let's see what shakes out.